This video is to show you our new way of deliming the coils. We used to use a one-shot system where you would put half a gallon of muriatic acid in a gallon or two of water and fill the coil with it and let it set for an hour and then rinse it out. This is a much better system. It's a continuous flow. There's the booster pump on the machine will draw the water up out of the tub, the plastic tub that I have here. You can use many different shapes of tub. This is the one I like that we picked up from a local car wash pretty reasonably. You can save your solution from time to time, and what I like to do is the hose that draws it up, don't have that down to the bottom of the tub, so it will not pick up the particles that come through the hose. And I'll demonstrate that. I'll turn the pump on and it'll start to draw the water up out of the jug and pass it through the steam hose, and then I will put the steam hose back in there. Then you can put the steam hose back into the tub so that the solids will flow back in the tub to be dissolved by the muriatic acid. I don't have the jug completely full. It doesn't take so much, but I like to have enough that the solution will be strong enough and it will dissolve the solids, the lime, in the coil. And you can let this run this way for several hours depending on how much lime buildup you have. Different waters have different solids. I've used muriatic acid, and I've also used a product called Clean, and that works very well for specific different kinds of solids. So you can hear the water going through the machine, and you can just continue to let that pump run like that. The muriatic acid solution will not harm the pump. And one word of caution is you need to add the muriatic acid into the water and not water into the muriatic acid, because when you have a small amount of water in a very strong muriatic acid solution, it can kind of blow up and come back at you. So because this is a new machine, I did not put muriatic acid in the water. We have full flow, but I'm just using that example to show you how we do the continuous flow muriatic acid washing. When you're done with your muriatic acid solution wash, you can reconnect your water hose and flush your muriatic acid out of the machine. We also have an air hose connection that you can turn into the water inlet connection and use air compressor and blow as much water out as possible. And you can do this before the acid wash and maybe after the acid wash, or if you're going to put the machine away for a while, it empties a lot of the water out of the system.